Okay. And for the next one, okay, for paper 2, part 3, report writing. Report writing can be anything, okay. Types of report that can come out is actually a report on school activities or programs such as field trips, competitions, or seminars, or a report to the school principal regarding an infrastructure, services like classroom conditions or canteen facilities. It can be a report to the teacher or administrators about an incident such as fight or issues with the discipline, okay, maybe students coming late or such as, and reports to voice complaints or suggestions expressing concerns or ideas for improvement, such as suggestion for new extracurricular activities. Now let's take a look. Your school recently held a sports day to promote physical fitness and teamwork among students. So as the head of the sports committee, you have been asked to write a report on the event of on the event for your school principal. So basically, sports day is the sports day is the event, okay. To promote physical fitness and teamwork is the objective. You need to write objective in the introduction. As the head of the sports committee is your role. Who are you? Your role. Okay, and you are writing this report on the event for your school principal. This is your audience. So because this is your audience, it has to be formal. You are not writing for your friend, but you are writing for your school principal. And you need to write only within 200 to 250 words. Again, teacher would suggest about 5 paragraphs. So how to divide this is, make sure you divide your report into at least 4 or 5 parts. Okay, I suggest 5 parts here. So the first part will be introduction, where you write the date, the objective, okay, the venue and all, and activities during the event, like like the relay. We had just had our sports day. Okay, we had the march pass, the kind of activities that we do for our event. Students response, okay, very good. Okay, everyone were active. Okay, and suggestion, maybe more shade. Okay, maybe the tents are not enough, it's very hot. Okay, things like that you already write. And finally the conclusion. Okay, and you can give more suggestion anyway. Okay, so let's see how you write it. Okay, first you start with, okay, the title, report on sports day, prepared by the head of sports committee. Who is this? This is you. Okay, and this is the title. Now, when I suggested that you divide your report writing into 5 paragraphs, I also would like you to add on the headings. We call these headings. Okay, every paragraph has a heading. So the first paragraph, introduction. On 20th April 2025, our school successfully held its annual sports day with the theme Fit Body, Fit Mind. The event took place, okay, on the school field. The place, the time, okay, date is given, attended by teachers, parents, okay, students. Aim to promote. This is the objective. Okay, now objective is there also. So that. Next is the activities during the event. They had aerobic session, various events such as the 100-meter, 200-meter sprint, okay, and then relay races, long jump, tug of war, talent matches for lower primary pupils, anything. Okay, so each house, which are red, blue, green, and yellow, depending on whatever house you are, you don't write that also, never mind. All you can just write, all students cheered their teams enthusiastically. Okay, and teachers and parents also participated in friendly games, adding to the joy. These are just talking about activities. So you don't talk about anything else in this paragraph. The next paragraph will be students respond, and make sure the heading is there. So students participated actively, showed great sportsmanship throughout the event, cheered for their peers and worked together, displaying the true spirit of unity, shared that it was one of the most exciting days of the school year and appreciated the chance to compete in a friendly environment. So students respond, talk only about what students say. No need to talk about what teacher said. No need. Okay. Next is suggestion for improvement. So for future events, suggested provide shaded tents, okay, for the spectators and more water station. Okay. So a mini first aid booth can also be set up for quick medical assistance during the event. Okay. Usually they will have. Okay. And a conclusion would be, overall it was actually a success. So remember these words, overall, for future events. Okay, it was a great success. It not only encouraged people to stay active, but also strengthened teamwork and school spirit. So we hope to make next year's sports day even better with this improvement. Okay, that's it. You're done writing a report. Okay, so remember 5 paragraphs. Every paragraph must have heading. Alright, and the first paragraph must have the day, date, time, objective, and that's it. You are done with your report. So the format might change, the headings might change depending on what the requirement of question is. Okay. So read carefully before you answer, and all the best for your exam.